Hi, welcome in Cloud in 5 minutes. I'm Frank Boucher, Microsoft Azure MVP based in Montreal in Canada. Today's topic was a request from Jefferson Lopez who wanted to know how to create an Application Insight Report from Power BI. Aussi, si vous préférez, j'ai une version en français de cette vidéo. Cliquez juste ici en haut à droite. So today, I want to show you how easy it is to create reports with Application Insight in Power BI. But first, we need to demystify some little things. To use Power BI, you need a Microsoft Office 365 account. Your Office 365 account may be different than the one you use for Azure. My trick to know which one it's what is to look at the icon. So for example, this first one here, the little icon looks like a badge when I'm at work, so it's my work or school account. This one, with a bigger face, then that's my personal account. For Office 365, it's definitely that one. Okay, now let's get started by going to powerbi.com. We need to sign in. Perfect. Now we go to Services. Here, Power BI will offer many different services that are available online. Look for the Application Insight. Should be a purple bulb, like this one here. Let's create. To get those information, let's go to the Azure portal. Perfect. Now you go on the Azure portal and select the Application Insight resources that you want to create the report from. So here we have my report, so we'll take the resource name and paste it just here. The resource group is also very easy to find. It's most of the time just the first one under it. And the subscription ID is just a little bit more further to the right. You copy that and paste it, and that's our last information. Of course, now you need to authorize Power BI to connect to Azure, so you will need to enter your credential. Voila! In few minutes, it will be ready. I will get back to you then. Voila! The report is already done. So here we have a bunch of information, and what it's nice with Power BI is that I have many different options to dig into the data, and that's what I like about it. So for example, if I want to go dig in a specific section, I could click on that tile, and it will go open the report. And now I have multiple sections. Here I have my sessions, application details, or page view, and I can dig. So if I want to know, for example, everything related to France, I can click on that, and all other tiles will be affected by that result and adjust. Another great feature of Power BI is you could use Cortana and ask questions in a human way. For example, I could ask page view by day. And now I have a graph of the reports. If you give access to Cortana to your dataset, you could even ask Cortana by voice directly to your computer. That's really cool. But why should you use Power BI instead of going into the Azure portal? Well, with Power BI, you can share easily that report without having to log in. And that report will also be available on your phone. Let's have a look. So here, I go and I have the same Application Insight reports that is available to me. I see everything, the maps, the user, and all. And it's still interactive. I have all the information. For example, if I click on the map, I will see a bigger map. Worked very well. Today, I use powerbi.com to do my demo because Application Insight is only available through that medium. However, you have Power BI Desktop, that is a free version you could download and install locally. And in Power BI Desktop, if you go in the Get Data sections, and click on Online Services, you will find a lot of different services. For example, Google Analytics, that is an analytics service that many of you I'm sure knows. So you could create a dashboard mixing the Application Insight and Google Analytics in one dashboard. That would be really informative. Of course, right now I was doing the demo using only one application, but you could mix many other different applications and services. With only few clicks and 3 information, we could create a very interesting and dynamic report in Power BI. It cannot be more easy than that. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was useful. See you next time. Thanks for watching.